Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 SUV in the Allure specification. So this car comes with a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower and a 6-speed manual gearbox. Outside the car you've got 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, there's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features 3D navigation as well as DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth connectivity. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car's done less than 6,000 miles and is packed full of some great safety features. You get blind spot detection, lane positioning assistance, there's speed limit recognition, and the car can call emergency services in the event of an accident. But if this car is of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.